OMG, so soft, so moist. Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, I'm gonna make some delicious corn muffin. So let's get started. But before I get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I have here 1 cup of cornmeal. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour. Now, this is all-purpose flour. Spelt flour will work perfectly fine. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 cups of sugar. I'll be using the monkfruit sugar, which is a 0-calorie sugar. Perfect for anyone who is diabetic. So 0-calorie sugar, okay? So this is what I'm using. I'll leave a link for Amazon, or you can get it in your health food store. It is there as well. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And this is all you will need for the dry ingredients. And if there's something that you guys would like for me to make, you can go ahead and leave it in the description box, and I will do my best to make it for you. For our wet ingredients, okay guys, so here I have my buttermilk. How I make the buttermilk is I use 1 cup of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. So that's how I make my buttermilk. And here I have my egg, my vegan egg. This is just flax seeds mixed with water. So you have 1 teaspoon of flax seeds ground, and then you also have 3 teaspoons of water. Okay, so that's how I make my vegan egg. To that, I have 1/2 cup of melted butter, vegan butter. I use the Earth Balance, but you can use whatever brand that you cook with. I'm gonna mix all that together. I'm gonna just make a little amount in the middle, and I'm just gonna pour this in, everything all the way in. Move that over and just mix everything together. You don't want to overwork it, but it's going to give you a nice mixture. This is so simple and easy. Meal prep this for breakfast, for lunch, as a snack. You can give it to the kids. They're going to love it. I have some mixed spices that I just want to put inside. This is completely optional. It's just cinnamon, nutmeg, and that's optional. Don't need it, but I like the way it smells. It smells so good. Alright, so like I said, you don't want to overwork this batter. I'm just going to spray it to prevent it from sticking, and that's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and just start pouring the stuff in. I'm going to be using my 1/2 cup measurement and just pour this in just like that. It's supposed to give me 6, guys, but look at this. Looks like I'm only getting 5 jumbo muffins today. That's fine, right? Not a big deal. So I have 5 jumbo muffins here, and that's perfectly fine. Like I said, it's not a big deal. Just go ahead and throw this in the oven 20 to 25 minutes. Just watch it, and let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, my healthy people, these are my muffins. I had them sitting here for about 10 minutes. Let's just go ahead and put them in a nice plate. Here, just gonna take them out. Like I said, I had them sitting out for about 10 minutes, so they're absolutely not hot, so it's easy for me to take them out. Okay, they are so soft, guys, and moist. Look at that, you can see it. Perfect. Woo! I cannot wait to dig into this deliciousness. Here it is, your delicious corn muffins, guys. Delicious corn muffins that your entire family will love. Perfect to meal prep for snack, breakfast, lunch, whenever you want to eat them. They're simple and easy to make. Doesn't really take that much time. And you know exactly what you're putting inside of your body, okay? So that's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, do what? Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, follow me on Instagram for more delicious recipes just like this one. And stay it with me. Stay healthy.